What's up guys, Ashraf, and today we are going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Is it still worth it after 2 years of being in production? Well, let's see. Let's get straight into the review. Okay, so let's talk about the design first. Design on this watch is probably my favorite design on any smartwatch right now, even though this is 2 years old. This is probably better than the new design on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So I've got the silver version here, and to be honest, it looks really nice with the rotating bezel to put the cherry on top. I really like the design. The rotating bezel also really satisfying. You will have to be careful though, as I've got some scratches on it after daily use and everything. However, it's quite strong, quite robust, quite a nice tactile feeling also on the bezel. The bezel is probably the only thing which I can say nothing about. Like, I really love this bezel. There's nothing to be improved. Let's add up on battery life. Battery life is a key thing with smartwatches. Most of us wear them in our sleeps, or we can charge them. So this watch will comfortably last you 2 days. I normally use the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier, and that lasts me just about a day. And this lasts a comfortable 2 days. And charging also, you can go in the shower or something, just put it on the charger there, and you'll be ready to go. So the battery life on this watch is also something you don't have to worry about. It also has Qi wireless charging, so if you do have one of the newer Samsung Galaxy devices, put this on the back of your phone and you'll be ready to go. Also, we have a heart rate sensor on this watch, which we all know what a heart rate sensor does. You can track your heart rate. And altogether, fitness tracking on this has also been really good. I have been on the treadmill, running, doing some push-ups, pull-ups, everything. This can track quite accurately. However, if you do want something designated for your health needs, then I would rather go for a Fitbit. That is literally a fit in its name. Fitbit is the way to go. However, if you do want to occasionally have a workout with this watch, it will definitely keep track. Let's talk about the UI. So, I'm just first going to be talking about the watch faces. The watch faces are infinitely customizable. You can get as many watch faces as you want via the Galaxy Store, and they just look amazing, all of them. I'm using the original Tomcat one here, and it just fits in with nearly everything I'm wearing every day, with a jean and top, everything. Looks really nice. We also have a healthy amount of apps on the Samsung smartwatch that I have here. Spotify, Sport, everything you can name that you would do on smartwatch, you can do it here. Calls and texts also, you can do text. I'm not sure any of you really do text on your smartwatch. However, if you do need to add a quick reply, you have that option. Call quality is also okay on this smartwatch. If you are out and about and you can't get your phone but you can answer on your watch, call quality, from what I've heard from people around me, is really good. So back to the question, is this watch still worth it with the Black Friday deals, Christmas deals still going on? Absolutely. This watch is absolutely fantastic in every single way. It literally looks like it hasn't aged at all, even though it's about 2 years old now. I really like the watch. I think you guys will as well if you buy it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this review. Make sure to subscribe and follow the social media, as we are getting close to 1,000 subscribers. That's the dream. Let's see if we can get there. So once again, thank you guys for watching. This is Ashraf reviewing the Galaxy Watch. Peace.